Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be demonstrating the difference in speed between a traditional spinning drive and a solid-state drive. Here we've got two machines, both identical, brand new Dell, straight out the box, identical in every way. i5 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 7th generation on both. This one has a solid-state drive, and this one has a regular spinning state drive. So we're going to go through and restart these, and we're going to show you the difference. So it's going through the restart process. You can see the solid state drive is already on its way up. The one with the traditional drive is still shutting down. Now this is where it really picks up. The solid state drive, operating system's coming up, and pretty much there you're up and running. We've got the traditional drive, and that's a brand new drive. There's nothing else running in the background. The machines are identical apart from that, and it's coming, slowly getting there, but you can see how that one was so much quicker, and we're still going through the process now, waiting for that traditional drive to come up, and it's eventually it's getting there, and that's a big difference in speed, not just on boot up, but on everything. And finally the traditional drive is coming up. So if you have got a machine that's more than 2 to 3 years old, you can get a great benefit of speed by going to a new solid state drive. Also your regular spinning drive, it's going to start showing some age, could start failing, and if your machine is running slow already, now is a great time to get in and get your solid state drive.